Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World. Yes, as you can see, I got the Galaxy Watch 3 in the building. For those of you all who've been looking for this review to make up your mind whether you want to get the Galaxy Watch 3 or whether you want to get the Galaxy Watch or the Galaxy Watch Active, wait no more. Now we're going to go over the specs, but I want to tell you that I got this off of Amazon.com. I did not go to Best Buy, so I will be leaving a link in the description box down below if you want to support the channel. I do get a small kickback from this, so it will be greatly appreciated. Now I opt out for the 45mm because I gotta have a bigger watch because I need to see the Galaxy Watch and also the Gear S3 worked out for me. So I didn't get the smaller version. I did not go for the Mystic Bronze because I didn't like the tint of that bronze, and it's going to tie, it would have tied into my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But I think I still made a good choice. You all let me know at the end of the video. But let's go ahead. Let's check out the specs. Now, first off, it's going to have a 1.4-inch display. I chose to get the 45mm, and it's going to have 1GB of RAM. You're going to get 8GB of storage. Your battery is going to be a 340 milliamp hour battery. It's going to be rated IP68 water and dust resistant. It's going to have a blood pressure monitor, fall detection, and you are going to have 5 ATM, which means if you want to go swimming in this, yes, you still can go swimming. Now, I have the Bluetooth version, but if you choose to go out and get the LTE version, that's going to cost you a little bit more. Now, I paid $429 for this. Out the door, it was $453 and some change with tax. Now, let's go ahead. Let's see what actually comes in the box. Now, everything you need for your smartwatch is going to be in the top of the box. You're going to get your set of instructions, and you also are going to get your charger. Now, in the bottom of the box, you're going to get the Galaxy Watch, and this looks beautiful. I like it. Yes, I opt out for the 45mm, and I got the two-tone look. I like that a lot better. I really didn't like that Mystic Bronze, and I didn't want all black, and I'm not sure if this is going to be for me. I think I'm going to give it to somebody else, but all in all, here it is, you all. Here it is. Now, what's different is out of the box, you get this leather band, which really actually looks nice, has an elegant look to it. For those of you all who are concerned about your watch band, this is a 22mm lug. So the watch band that you have for your Gear S3 and also your Galaxy Watch is going to fit on here. Now, look at the buttons. Now, the buttons look just like that of the Gear S3, right? Let me show you the Gear S3. Now, I have a different bezel cover on here, so we're not going to be able to take a look at that. But if you look at the original, it has a smooth finish on the top, just like what you see here on the Galaxy Watch 3. But the buttons, right? The buttons are almost pretty much identical. They look the same. Let's put them together. They pretty much look the same, people. Now, of course, you see the body of the Gear S3 is a lot bigger than the body of the Galaxy Watch 3 so far as the casing is concerned. But the design overall looks exactly the same. The only difference is over here where the buttons are, you get a smoother finish compared to what you see here on the Gear S3. All right, so let's put that aside. And I like it. It's lightweight compared to the Galaxy Watch. It's a lot lighter than what it feels like on the Galaxy Watch. So maybe it's the size. But at the same time, if you look at it, you get more real estate so far as screen over here than you do over here. They flattened out, of course, the rotating bezel, so it doesn't look that beefy at all. And you still get the ridges on the side for rotating, which is cool. And the rotation is clickier, right? So you got these certain clicks compared to what you're gonna have on the Galaxy Watch, and you can feel it. It clicks and it stops. So it doesn't roll real smooth, just like the one on the Galaxy Watch. But this is cool. So we gotta take a look at this when it's on. But overall, what do you think of the hardware design of this? I like it. I do like it. The design, again, just looks just like that of the Gear S3. But overall, the body, the design, you have the speaker on here. So if you need to make a phone call, you can listen to your phone calls out loud. Also, you're going to be able to play your music on this one. So this is cool. And you're going to be able to tie your Bluetooth headphones into this as well. So this is cool. I like this one. But let's go ahead. We're going to connect this, and then we're going to take a look at the software side of this smartwatch. All right, you all, we're all paired up. Now, to pair up this device is very simple. It's very easy. All you got to do is follow the prompts. And before you know it, you are all set up to play with your Galaxy Watch 3. Now, before we get started, I got to tell you about this. Now, normally I'm used to powering off the device by the bottom button. It would not let me do that. So in default, out of the box, you have to press both buttons in order to power off. In default, it's going to allow you to trigger Bixby, not power off the device. But if you go into your smartphone in the application of the Galaxy Watch, you will be able to change that. Now, it gives you two options. You can have it set for Bixby or you can have it set to power on and off. Me, I'm going to end up setting it to power on and off with that button. All right, so therefore don't send your device back. There's nothing wrong. I don't know why Samsung set it for that to be the default out of the box. All right, let's go ahead. Let's get started with this review. All right, you all, let's continue with the review. The first thing we're going to do is check out the drop screen. Now, the drop screen looks like that on the Gear S3 and the Galaxy Watch Active 1 and 2. But one of the things that it has that I have not seen on my Galaxy Watch is the option to power off right from the drop screen, which I thought was cool. I thought it made it easy and convenient to do so. Instead of pressing and holding the button, you could power off really, really quickly. Now, also what you're going to be able to get is the same thing you would normally get on your Galaxy Watch and your Galaxy Watch Active 1 and 2, is that you'll be able to, of course, go into your settings. You can turn it on vibrate. You can go to your good night mode. You can also go into theater mode. You check out your battery info, your brightness, and also your Wi-Fi. So you can also customize this as you see fit in settings. We might do another video on that one, but let's check this out. If I swipe to the right, these are all your notifications, right? And right now I got YouTube, I got 8. Now I have not seen a smartwatch yet that gives you this. If I want to go in and check out all 8 of those notifications, I can. Now that's up under one notification. That's from YouTube. And I thought that was very awesome. You can do the same thing with your email, your Gmail. They'll also give you a numbers of notifications that you have. And all you have to do is tap on the number and you can go in and read all your notifications, which is awesome. Also, if you need to clear them all, just hit the garbage can and you can clear them all. Now, one other thing that I like about Samsung smartwatches is that we have widgets. Now, you may not think they're useful. I think they are. Like, I have my music player on my Galaxy Watch to be number 1. You can set maybe 3 to be a favorite to get to quick, fast, and easy. And right now, you got daily activity. I got this application that gives me a variety of apps that I can go into, my contacts. I can also go into my Outlook. For those of you all who know about Outlook, I got my exercising information, my weather. You got so many different applications you can go to. This is my Spotify, right? Which looks awesome. You can download your music onto the smartwatch as well from Spotify, which is awesome. So you got so many applications you can add. And then if I tap right here, they give us more that we can add: calendar, contacts, your notifications, workout information, whatever you want, you can add to that widget shortcut, which I thought was pretty cool. Now, looking at the watch face, right? I like this watch face, and you get tons of watch faces that they give you new. And let's just go through it a little bit. I thought this was nice, right? I mean, you got so many different ones, and they give you a lot of the old ones as well, which is pretty cool. And you can also customize it here, or you can actually go on to the application and customize it, which I find a little bit more convenient than doing it on a smartwatch because it's on my wrist and I can see it a lot better if I do it straight from my smartphone. But as you get to the end of this, right, all your watch faces that you have on here, you can also go to the Galaxy Store and you can download more right from your smartwatch. You don't have to wait to go to your application on your phone. You just go here and you are good to go. Hit install and you can download it from here. So for the new people, this is probably one of the greatest, most convenient smartwatches on the market. And I have to tell you the honest to God truth, that's even over Apple. I don't think Samsung get their just due for the creation of the Galaxy Watch and also the Gear watches as well. Now, in order to change the watch faces, all you got to simply do is go ahead, tap on one, and then we can change it to that one, which I thought was pretty cool. It's animated. Now, Samsung always comes out with some new, different, unique, awesome watch faces, right? But the developers that's creating this one, I don't know if they're special developers, but they're definitely getting down. We need more unique watch faces just like this one. And I thought Samsung could have did a better job at creating more unique watch faces out of the box instead of giving us a lot of the old ones. But let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the rotating bezel. Now, if I rotate the bezel, I don't have to swipe. If I don't want to get this smudged up, I can just swipe from left to right to get to whatever I want to get to, whether it be my widgets or whether it be my notifications. And again, this is very clicky. So when you go one, it stops. You don't accidentally continue to scroll. You can feel the click right there, which is cool. So if I want to go back to the beginning, all I got to do is hit the top button and it'll take me right there. Now you can also set other applications to open up from here, which is pretty cool. And again, down here is going to be your Bixby and or to power off. But let's go ahead. Let's go check out our applications. Now you got your applications. You can either swipe or you can just scroll until you get to the one you want to open. Now there's an option in the application that you can set, and that'll allow you to, like, when you stop on an application that you want to open up, it'll open up automatically. I don't like that because sometimes I accidentally open this up and I'm not really looking for that application. Maybe I'm scratching my head and then it automatically opens up and then I got to hit back. But if you want to swipe, you can swipe with this one, which is cool. But you have so many different applications on here that's going to make living with the Galaxy Watch 3 very, very convenient. So I thought Samsung did a really good job with this. Again, the rotating bezel being flattened out, the bezel being pushed back to give you more real estate so far as screen is concerned, was a good job done by Samsung. A step back is going to be the buttons and the casing design of the Galaxy Watch. Another downside to this, to me, right, just in my opinion, I think that Samsung shouldn't have put Bixby as a way to activate the device. I think this should have stayed in default, the way you power on and off your smart device. Other than that, I thought Samsung did a really good job on this one. Again, if you like this one and you want the Mystic Bronze, then get that one. Other than that, good job by Samsung, I still have to say. Now, this isn't a smartwatch that I would recommend for people who already have the Galaxy Watch. The only way that I would recommend that is if you're looking for the blood pressure monitor and you have heart issues or your family member has heart issues. But another thing that I have yet to find, and I'm telling you, I spent at least 15 to 20 minutes trying to find. If you know where it's at, please hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know where it's at. I could not find the fall detection to save my life. All right, you all, I found the fall detection. Now, it's going to be located in settings on your smartwatch and on your smartphone in the wearable app. Now, on your smartwatch, all you simply got to do is just drop the screen, go into settings. You want to look for advanced. Once you find advanced, tap there, and then go ahead and scroll down till you see SOS. You see SOS, tap on it, and there you go. There's your fall detection if you want to activate that. Now, also what I forgot to mention is that Samsung gave us a few backgrounds that actually looks nice. They're different, and they gave us quite a few to change to. Now, I hope that we get these on the Galaxy Watch and the Galaxy Watch Active 1 and 2 through an update. And if we do, I will let you guys know. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it, but what do you think? What do you think about the design? What do you think about the added features to the smartwatch? Is it a good look because Samsung had to do more? Or is it a buy? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this one, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.